do that, is it fair to animals?
No, no,
So,
ma'am.
should we stop that or should we continue doing it?
We have stopped that.
So, now from now onwards, whosoever does that, please say no. If they have already bought, it's okay. But if they tend to buy new, you should say that you should not buy these things because it is causing harm to animals. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. We get wool from the fleece of sheep or goat, and we get silk fiber from the cocoon of silkworm. Okay. Then who is reading the next paragraph for thousands of years?
Can
Ma'am, can
I?
I
Muhammad
fill a
Reza.
question?
Muhammad
Yes,
Reza.
Nakvi Hassan.
Okay, ma'am. For thousands of years, natural fibers were the only ones available for making fabrics. In the last 100 years or so, fibers are also made from chemicals.
Chemical substances. Read from here. Chemical substances. It is the continuation of on the next page.
Okay, ma'am. Uh, Ma'am, where it is chemical substances?
Here, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Chemical substances which are not obtained from plant or animal sources. These are called synthetic fibers. Some examples of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon, and acrylic.
Acrylic.
Okay, ma'am. Acrylic.
Okay. So, what is it trying to say? That for thousands years तक लोगों नेचुरल फाइबर्स ही लोग यूज करते थे. They used to use natural fibers only. Okay, because they were only available for making fabrics. But in the last 100 years, कुछ 100 साल पहले से लोग chemicals से fabrics बनाना सीख गए. Okay, which are not obtained from plants or animals. They started making fabrics or fibers from chemicals, and those are not obtained from plants and animals. And because they are not obtained from plants and animals, we cannot call them natural fibers. So we call them synthetic fibers, correct? What do we call them?
Synthetic fibers.
Synthetic fiber.
Synthetic fibers.
Synthetic
Okay.
fiber.
And some example of synthetic fibers are polyester, nylon, and acrylic. Okay. These are the example of synthetic fiber, correct? Now let's move on to some plant fibers. We are going to learn some natural fibers which are obtained from plants. Then we are going to study about cotton, then jute, okay, because there are only two. Then spinning cotton yarn, then yarn to fabric. Then we will also be learning synthetic fibers, okay, and that's it. Okay, who is going to read some
Can I?
plant fibers?
Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, Hassan Kabasi, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, from cotton, na?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 3.3 some plant fibers. Cotton. Have you ever made wicks for oil lamps? What do you use for making these wicks? This cotton wool is also used for filling mattresses, toilets, or pillows.
Quilts.
Yes, quilts or pillows. Take some cotton wool, pull it apart, and look at its edges. What do you observe? The small thin strands. What do you see are made up of cotton fibers. Where does this cotton wool come from? It is grown in the fields. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. Can you name some states of our country where cotton is grown? The fruits of the country plant cotton balls are about the size of lemon. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. Have you ever seen a cotton field that is ready picking? It looks like a field covered with snow. Figure 3.6. From these balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fibers are then
Separated.
separated from the seeds by combing. The process is called what ma'am
Ginning.
written ginning.
Ginning of cotton.
Yes, ginning of cotton. Ginning was traditionally done by hand. Figure 3.7. These days, machines are also used for ginning.
Okay, so what is
Ma'am,
happening?
can I?
Let's. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta, let me
can.
explain this and then you can read, okay? What's your
Yes,
name?
ma'am. Hussein
Your name,
Lakhani.
please? Lakhani Hassan. Okay, remind me, okay? I'll let you read. Okay, so what we were doing is cotton and okay, have you ever made wicks for oil lamp? What is wicks? આપણે દીવાની વાટ બનાવીએ ને
Yes.
એને wicks કહેવાય. It is called wicks, okay? It is wicks for oil lamp. Have you ever made this?
Ma'am.
Any of you?
What,
No,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Happens, what do you use for making these wicks? What do you use for making these wicks? We use cotton wool, correct? We use cotton to make these wicks. Also, we use cotton to fill mattresses, quilts. What is quilts? It is nothing but blankets, okay? So don't get confused, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And we also use cotton to fill our pillows. Now what do? We have to take some cotton wool, pull it apart and look at its edges. We have to take some cotton wool and pull it apart. We have to break the cotton ball into two pieces and then you have to look into the edges. What are you going to observe? You are going to observe thin strands that you see are made up of cotton fibers. We could see thin strands of cotton, right? એક એક તણખલું દેખાય ને cotton નું જ્યારે આપણે રૂ ને તોડીએ ત્યારે.
Yes.
Correct or not?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Then what happens? Now e cotton છે, where does this cotton wool come from? वो cotton wool कहाँ से आता है? So it is growing in the fields, okay? This cotton is grown in the fields. Usually, where does cotton grow? It always grows in black soil and warm climate. Okay, where does cotton grow?
Warm climate and
Black soil,
yes.
where the soil is black. Okay, cotton grows in the black soil and warm climate. These are the conditions that cotton needs to grow. Okay, now can you name some states of the country where cotton is grown? Do you know any state where cotton is grown?
No, ma'am.
ગુજરાત itself. બેટા ગુજરાતમાં જ cotton balls ઉગે છે. Because ગુજરાતની soil છે black છે and it has warm climate. So
Ma'am,
cotton
मैंने देख
is
खेला है.
है ना?
Yes.
ऐसा नहीं बोलते बेटा देखेला है, देखा है बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? What is देखेला है? मैम मैंने देखा है ऐसे बोलते हैं. Can you? Okay, so Gujarat is the state where cotton is grown. The fruits of the cotton plant are about the size of the lemon. कितना बड़ा होता है cotton ball? It is about the size of lemon. नींबू होता है ना, उतनी साइज का कॉटन बॉल होता है, और जब वो कॉटन बॉल रेडी होता है, मैच्योर होता है, मैच्योर मीन्स व्हाट इज मैच्योरिंग? When it is ready to pluck.
Yes, ma'am.
When it is ready, okay, that is called maturing. The balls burst open, तो balls है वो फट जाते हैं, and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. Then you can see the seeds that are covered with cotton fibers. You can see here, see. This is the picture where cotton ball has burst open and you can see the seeds which are covered with cotton. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I change the color if it is dark for you?
Yes, ma'am.
This picture. Okay. This is the fruit which is mature and it has burst open. वो फट चुका है और उसमें cotton seeds है वो हम देख सकते हैं. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's move on to. Then what happens when these balls, from these balls cotton is usually picked by hand. Then we pick up cotton by hand. उसमें कोई machine use नहीं होती. We usually pick it by our hands, and we separate cotton from the seeds by combing. You can see here this man is combing. Do you see it? And he's doing nothing but he's separating the cotton balls from the seeds. Okay, and that is called ginning. What is ginning? Fibers that are separated from the seeds by combing is called ginning of cotton. Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Fibers that fibers are separated from the seeds by combing is called
Ginning.
ginning. Okay. First, ginning was done mechanically, manually, by hand, and now there are machines for doing that. Okay, cotton is clear, everybody. Where does
Yes,
cotton
ma'am.
grow? Where does cotton grow? In which type of soil and in which type of climate?
Black soil and warm climate.
Yes, very good. Lakhani Hassan, you can read cotton once again and then we'll move on to the next topic, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Have Have you ever made wicks for oil lamps? What do you use for making these wicks? This cotton wool is also used for peeling mattresses, millets, or pillows. Take some cotton wool, pull it apart, and look at its edges. What do you observe? The small, thin strands that you see are made up of cotton fiber. Where does this cotton wool come from?
Come from.
From,
It is.
from
Here
it
it
is
is.
grown in the fields.
Yes.
Cotton plants are u- usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. Can
Climate.
you name some states of country where cotton is grown? The fruit of the cotton plant, cotton balls, are about the size of a lemon. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seed convert with cotton fiber can be seen. Have you ever
Have you ever seen a cotton field?
Seen a cotton field that is ready for picking. It looked like a field covered with snow. Figure 3.6. From these balls, cotton is usually picked by hand. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This process is called ginning. Ginning of cotton. Ginning was ginning was traditionally done by hand. Figure 3.7. These days, machines are also used for ginning.
Okay, thank you, Lakhani Hassan. Can anybody explain this now? I have already explained it once. Can anybody do that again?
Cotton. Yes, ma'am. Can I
Yes?
try? Can I try
Yes.
asking the
Yes, better try.
Yes, ma'am. Cotton. Have you ever made wicks for oil lamps? Ma'am, we are asking that have you ever made wicks means
Hmm.
ball like wicks you
Yeah.
made with oil lamps? What do you use for making these wicks? This cotton wool is also used for filling mattress, quilts, or pillows. Yes, ma'am, we are telling that this cotton wool is also used for filling mattress, quilts, or pillows. Ma'am, that in pillow is also ruled that cotton wool, and in mattress also. Yes, take some cotton wool, put it apart and look at its edges. We are telling that take a wool and pull it and see its edges, means corner that edges. What do you observe? The small thin strands that you see are made up of cotton fibers. Yes. If we pull it apart, so we see the small thin strands that are made up of cotton fibers.
Very good.
And where does this cotton wool come from? You are asking where does this cotton come from? It is grown in the fields. It means like vegetables and all this. Then cotton also grow in field.
Correct.
Yes, one. Cotton plants are usually grown at places having black soil and warm climate. That here saying is that here asking that where cotton grow. So here tell that fields fields and black soil and warm climate. In that area only cotton can grow. Anyways, it not grow in any place.
Hmm.
Then can you name some states of our country where cotton come here? We are asking that can you give some names where does cotton come from? So your answer is Gujarat. In our city
Very
also
good.
come only.
Very good.
Then one minute. Yes. State from Gujarat only. The fruits of the cotton plant, cotton balls, are about the size of lemon. Means the lemon size is small and round. Also, the cotton balls is that size only. That
Mm-hmm.
same only. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. After maturing, the balls burst open. Means if after the ball grown, that cover with seeds, cotton fibers can be seen that cover with seeds and cotton fiber that we can see that seeds and cotton fibers open. Have you
Correct.
have you ever seen a cotton field that is ready picking? Means it looks like a field covered with snow. Hmm. From here asking that have you ever see that field means the areas
Mm-hmm.
that covered with fully cotton. Here given picture only 3.6 that from
Mm-hmm.
these balls cotton is usually picked by hand. That balls
Correct.
cotton is usually picked by a hand only. Not any machine can get. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combining. The process is called ginning. Means the first cotton grow in seeds. So here is saying that it is separated. That wool separate and seed separate, and it's the separate. It is a process called ginning of cotton. Ginning of cotton.
Very good.
Separated cotton. Ginning was
Correct.
traditionally done by hand only. In old, there was ginning means that alag seeds and cotton both
Mm-hmm. Correct.
separated
Correct.
that do by hand only. But nowadays, it do machines do.
Correct. Very good. Very good, beta. Now who wants to read Jute?
Madrasa.
Who wants to read?
मैम फरियादी
Yes,
फरियादी
Mohammad Raza. Go ahead.
ओके मैम
और ढोलिया मैम मोहम्मद रजा नहीं.
Our Jolia, I'll come back to you, beta.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Mohammad Raza.
ओके मैम jute fiber is obtained from the stem of the jute plant Fig 3.8. It is cultivated during the rainy season in India. Jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. The jute plant is normally harvested when it is at flowering stage. The stem of the harvested plants are immersed in water for a few days. The stem root and fibers are separated by hand.
To make fabric, all these fibers are first converted into yarns. And how is it done? Okay. So what is it saying? What we have to do is jute fibers. First of all, jute fiber is obtained from jute plant. Okay, and it is cultivated during rainy season only. What is it saying? That the jute fiber we obtain is obtained from the stem of
One
jute
is
plant. From where is it obtained? It is obtained from stem. Okay,
stem of jute plant. Yes.
correct. So it is obtained from stem of jute plant. Okay, and it is cultivated in rainy season only. When it is cultivated, when is this plant grown? Only in rainy
Or
season.
season.
Now in India, jute is mainly grown in West Bengal, Bihar and Assam. Jute कहाँ बनता है? It is grown only in these three regions because it has got favorable conditions. Correct.
Yes,
What is favorable conditions?
that here, ma'am, that in
As
three
cotton
states.
grows, yeah. As cotton grows in black soil and warm climate only, this jute also grows in the region where the climate is like West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. Their jute plant has got favorable condition. It grows well in that region. Okay, that is called favorable condition. And the jute plant is normally harvested. Jute plant को हम कब निकालते हैं उसको जूट बनाने के लिए when it is at its flowering stage, when the plant has reached the Flowering stage. What is the flowering stage?
Ma'am, in one height.
No, the flowering stage
Flower
is
height.
when the plant has started producing flowers. Okay. When the plant has started producing or growing flowers, that time jute is harvested. Okay. Jute is
Okay, ma'am.
harvested. What is the meaning of harvesting?
Ma'am,
That
to pick
come.
up.
Yes, pick up.
Pick up, correct. Okay. So jute is harvested when the plant has reached the flowering stage. Okay, what do we do then? The stems of the harvested plants are immersed in water. What they do? They put these stems in water. They are dipped in water for days.
Yes.
They are dipped
Ma'am,
in water for many days. Okay. Ji?
ma'am, here that telling that jute means that grown in West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. So, ma'am, here the rain was come in any time means there was season or any time it come.
No, there is season there also, but usually the climate is very humid. जब हमारे रेनी सीजन में कैसा क्लाइमेट हो जाता है,
Oh yes,
भेज वाला ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट हो जाता है ना.
yes.
तो वेस्ट बंगाल बिहार और आसाम में क्लाइमेट ऑलवेज ह्यूमिड ही होता है, इसलिए जूट के लिए वो फेवरेबल है. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
देन वी कीप द स्टेम इन वाटर फॉर मेनी डेज. फिर क्या हो जाता है, स्टेम से वो रॉट होना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. व्हाट इज रॉट? व्हाट इज
Rot.
रॉटिंग? સડી જવું is rotting. ઓકે. what is rotting? સડવા માંડે ને એને rot કર્યું કહેવાય. Okay. And then fibers are separated by hand. Once the stem has started rotting, તો fibers છે છૂટા છૂટા પડી જાય અને પછી આપણે એને hand થી અલગ કરી શકીએ છીએ. Okay. To make fabrics, all these fibers are converted into yarns. Yarns બનાવવામાં આવે. Yarns એટલે શું? આપણે શું ડિસ્કસ કર્યું હતું પહેલા દિવસે?
Clothes, clothes.
કે આ છે એ ફેબ્રિક છે, કરેક્ટ? આ
Yes.
ફેબ્રિક છે. પછી આટલા બધા ફેબ્રિક છે એને મળાવીને આપણે શું કરીએ છીએ? યાર્ન
Cloth.
બનાવીએ છીએ.
Yes.
યાર્ન
Means
બનાવ્યું,
clothes,
રાઈટ?
ma'am.
નહીં, હજી થ્રેડ બને છે બેટા, યાર્ન બન્યું આ તો. પછી આ યાર્ન છે એને ભેગા કરીને આપણે શું બનાવીએ છીએ? થ્રેડ બનાવીએ છીએ,
Fabric.
મોટું થ્રેડ બનાવીએ છીએ. પછી આ ફેબ્રિક છે આ ફેબ્રિક છે એને ભેગા કરીને આપણે આપણા ક્લોથ્સ બનાવીએ છીએ. આવી રીતે બને છે ને?
Yes, ma'am.
આ શું છે? ઇટ ઇઝ નથિંગ બટ થ્રેડ.
Clothes.
Yes.
થ્રેડ શેનાથી બને છે? યાર્ન્સ થી બને.
Yarns too. And
અને
yarn
યાર્ન શેનાથી બને?
Fibers to yarns and yarns to
fabric.
thread and thread to
Fibers.
clothes.
વેરી ગુડ. અન્ડરસ્ટુડ?
Means
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, it not come from jute, no. That come only jute.
વોટ બેટા?
Ma'am, that fibers come from jute.
Yes, fibers also come from jute and they also come from cotton. આપણે જ્યારે cotton ના clothes પહેર્યા છે તો ઈ fibers છે cotton plant માંથી
Yes.
આવેલા હોય છે. જૂટ છે, જૂટના જે cloth material હોય છે એ જૂટ માંથી આવેલું હોય છે. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Yes.
હવે કેટલી વાર બાકી છે? I think there is only 8 minutes left. Activity 4 છે આપણે read કરી લઈએ. અહદ લાખાણી activity 4 read કરી લો બેટા, પછી આપણે જોઈએ શું કરવું.
Ahmed Lakhani, not Dholia Ahmed.
ઢોલિયા, sorry. Yes, અહદ ઢોલિયા. અહદ ઢોલિયા doesn't want to read.
Ma'am is there, but he is not unmuting mic.
અહદ Your mic is mute.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Activity 4 read करनी है.
Yes. Speak softly,
Hold
beta.
some cotton wool in one hand. Pinch some cotton between the thumb and forefinger of the other hand. Now gently start the pulling out the cotton while continuously twisting the fibers. Figure 3.9. Are you able to make a yarn? Process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn.
Read ahead.
The process of a simple device used for spinning is a hand single spindle. Is also called Tukli. Figure 3.10. Another hand operated device used for spinning is chakra. Figure
Chakra nahi
3.11.
charkha.
Chakra. Use
Charkha.
of chakra was popularized by Mahatma Gandhi as the part of independence movement. He encouraged people to wear clothes made up of homespun yarn and churn, important clothes made in the mills of Britain. Asian.
Britain.
Spinning of Britain. Spinning of yarn on a large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabrics.
Now, what is being explained in activity 4? What you have to do is you have to hold some cotton wool in one hand, pinch some cotton between your thumb and the forefinger. मतलब उंगली से प्रेस कर देना है thumb और finger की. Then you have to gently start pulling the cotton while continuously twisting fibers. Okay, you have to keep twisting fibers with your thumb and forefinger, and you have to start pulling cotton gently. Okay, ऐसे एक झटके में pull मत कर लेना, gently pull करना, and then you will be able to make yarn. See, this is how what you have to do. You have to hold the one end, hold one end of the fiber with one hand, and you have to start pulling from here, and you have to keep twisting. Okay, you have to keep twisting the thread from here, and that is how you will be able to make the yarn. Okay, understood?
Okay,
The
ma'am,
process,
understood.
and what is the process? The process of doing this is called spinning. The process of making yarn is called spinning. And in this process, fibers from mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. What is done? Fibers from the mass of cotton wool are drawn out. Matlab, it is being pulled and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. तो बहुत सारे fibers जो होते हैं उसको
Okay, ma'am.
ट्विस्ट करते रहते हैं तो थ्रेड बन जाता है. ठीक है, then the thread is made. Do you understand what you have to do? See, the thread is
Yes,
made now.
ma'am.
Okay, this is the yarn, and process of making yarn is called spinning. Understood?
Spinning yarn. Spinning yarn.
Spinning yarn, correct. So a simple device used for spinning is a hand spindle, and it is also called takli. ओके, एक हैंड स्पिंडल होता है, उससे हम यार्न बना सकते हैं और उसको टकली भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड अनदर हैंड डिवाइस ऑपरेटेड डिवाइस यूज फॉर स्पिनिंग इज कॉल्ड चरखा. चरखा. ओके, यूज ऑफ चरखा वाज popularized by Mahatma Gandhi. Who popularized the use of charkha? Who started using charkha at first? Mahatma Gandhi.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. Yes, and as a part of independence movement, and he also encouraged his people to wear clothes which is homemade. Homespun yarn से जो बने होते हैं clothes वो पहनने के लिए encourage करते थे. ठीक है, and shun imported cloth made in the mills of ब्रिटेन। और उसने क्या बैन कर दिया? He asked his people to stop using clothes which were made in the mills of Britain. उसने ना बोल दी कि ऐसे क्लोथ्स नहीं पहनना, उसके क्लोथ्स हम नहीं पहनेंगे। Then spinning yarn on large scale is done with the help of spinning machines. फिर spinning machines आ गए and now spinning is done with the help of spinning machines. Okay. After spinning, yarns are used for making fabric. Spinning हो जाता है, yarns बन जाते हैं, फिर yarns से हम लोग क्या बनाते हैं? Fabric. These are the yarns and we sew it one after another and we make fabrics. Correct? Correct?
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye everybody.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.